Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel with Ima Talk Update. I want to say thank you for you guys subscribing. For those that have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and stay with me. All right, now this video I just want to show you how you can make up to 10,000 naira daily doing micro tax. All right, both basically for students and for those that needs this. All right, so let's go. Now this is a website, right? In this website, this is my username Maj23. All right, now hire many random workers. So if you can hire random workers here, that means you can also perform simple tax, and definitely you can also work here. All right, so you can perform simple tax here. So let's click on check on available tax or available small jobs for us to perform and see the ones that we can do. So possibly if you can be here working 247, there's no how you will not make up to like 10k if you're very hard working, or you not make up to 1k daily. All right, so let's see. As we just click on available jobs, right? So these are jobs that are available. You can see now, you can see join WhatsApp group, see how much they are paying, 24 naira 80 kobo. You can see, right? That is a job. So we're going to go down and just view the amount of jobs we have there. So as you can see now, I think I have some money there. My balance is like 214 naira. Now, I don't work on this website. Basically, what I do, I give jobs on this website. All right, I give jobs on this website. So in as much as I'm giving jobs on this website, you can also come to this website and work in this website. Please guys, you have to stay to the end of the video so that I can tell you the name of this website at the end of the video. As you can see, this one, Forex Training Masterclass. It's just to join. You join and then they pay you 160 naira. Right, look at this one. This one is paying 26 now. These are for people that want YouTube subscribers. You can subscribe to a YouTube channel and they pay you 26 naira. Let's be going down, guys. You say the ones, some of them they are even paying up to 500 naira. As you can see, these are jobs. These are jobs. You're seeing these are jobs. There are so much for you to just pick anyone you want to do. All right, look at some paying 500. Look at this one now. Travel, this is like a game, you understand. You just, they said it's quick approval, and then when you just click on it, you see they tell you do this and do that, just a little bit of tax, and then after doing it, you submit a screenshot, and then instantly they pay you the 500 naira that they are supposed to pay to you. So I want us to just go through, scroll down and see other jobs. This one is just 15 naira. I see YouTube channel, different types of jobs that you can do at your spare time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can see like and share my image, YouTube subscription, page like, page visits, just game, or maybe you can follow people's Facebook. Look at this one now. This one is 18 naira, right? 18 naira just for you to sign up in a particular website. They are paying you 18 naira. All right, so I want us to do that tax. Let's just do that tax and see how it goes. Or you click on it and then look at what they say you should do, what is expected to be done. Say click on this link here. When you click on it, then you have to do what? So they say you select your age and what was it called, gender. You just do these little things there, then you do a screenshot of the job that you did. You come to here, choose file, you just upload it. So when you upload it and then you click on, submit, that is all. Immediately you click on submit, you are done with the tax. All right, you're done with the tax. So immediately you're done with the tax, you can definitely move to other tax. All right, you can move to other tax and choose to do other ones that you want to do. So let me just show you my wallet here. All right, this is my wallet. So like I said, I don't really work on this website. What I do, I'll just recharge and then use the money to do other, to give out tax. All right, so people do my job, people do jobs for me and I pay them on this website. You can equally do the same. You can either be a job giver or you can be somebody doing tax on this particular job. Now if you have money there on your wallet and you want to withdraw, right, so you want to withdraw, let me show you where your withdrawal dashboard is. This is it. So minimum withdrawal is 1,999, and let's just say approximately is 2,000, right? If you've worked up to 2,000 naira here on this website, you can definitely click on withdraw and then you can withdraw. Before it wasn't much, where people don't make money much here like that. Before you make little money, like maybe before you can make 2,000, it takes a very long time. But now I think the money has increased, so the tax that they pay has increased. The money people pay has really increased. So when you're doing a tax, and at least before you know, you spend, before you know, you might have worked a lot of money here. So I've been on this platform for like 4 years now. All right, it's no joke. So that's to tell you that this platform is legit. All right, it's paying. So if you want to make a little fund from here, you can just come here. I'll drop the link to the website on the bio. You can check the comment section also. I'll pin it there, so you just click on it, register, and then just start up your work. All right, thank you guys. I think I've done justice to this video. So guys, you can be free and just work and then make your money. All right guys, thank you and see you on my next video. From me, I will say bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe once again. So bye bye.